back inside to see what everyone else is doing. Zack attack.
Yes, very much so.
Go ahead, you want to set a piece of
No.
Look at that door.
Woo! I believe that. Woo! Yes, ready for the day.
Are you fitting your bottoms?
I'm fitting my bottom. Oh my lord.
I'm where you're at. I just got all my doors figured out.
You hit these bottoms in. Hope I did everything right.
I'm gonna let you go first so I can see what you do wrong and then not do that.
Oh, see, from here, too much. If I need to take care off, how much did you take off? About 16. Maybe 16. On the head. Maybe 16. Got it. Halfway.
So I can finally see from the mountains.
Rami's precise over here.
Good.
Look at the precision and accuracy. What do you have going on here? Fancy cutting board, eh?
Yeah, it is Tuesday night.
It's like a hatchet.
I know.
Very nice. You scared? You should be. This thing's a murderous sex trap here. You see how fast these blades spin?
How do I change the angle?
The angle on this side. What's going on over here, Jack?
Good.
Cover all, please.
Tight. Yeah. I would raise it just a hair, fraction of a hair, just to make it a little loop. Yeah, because this is kind of tight.
Your blade's still spinning back there.
I know. There you go. Not hearing anything. I didn't hear anything either. I think I turned it the wrong way.
You lowered it.
You keep going clockwise? I went down. Oh, that's forward. There we go. That's not easy. It wasn't heavy all the way.
Drum roll.
Take two.
Oh, that's looking better.
I can clean up the fuzzy part. Yeah, with the your shoulder plate, I'll take another strip off.
He-Man, I have the power.
Now we're going to take the front. Yep, so you guys run the front. And when I'm done, I'm going to take it a little bit more, right? Yeah, so that way. Is any of these the same thickness as this? Any of those? Well, I don't know. You'll have to use the back to measure it. But if you cut it from the same piece, they should be the same thickness. Oh, all these are the same thickness. So you'll be able to run all those on this setup right now.
All right.
And they should work.
Hey. All right, guys, come here. Look at this. First floor is in and fitted. These little ones, I got them all in here, as you can tell. This one's stopping there. This one's stopping at the face, and then this one's catching right there, a little bit right before the face. My bottom one I haven't fit yet. I'm using it. So my GoPro has a clamp on it. I've been clamping it to it to get some shots like this of me using the plane over here to scrape a little bit off so that these drawers will slide in. Joanne just informed me she got one more in. Look at 3. Yeah, it looks real nice. It's a lot of work to get to this point. You guys have been watching my videos, you know, I've been working on these for weeks. Alright, so this is the next drawer I'm going to be working on. So I'll show you. And put that in. It's hitting right here just a little bit. So I'm going to shave this edge down and hopefully it'll slide in. And then we'll go from there.